Hi, I'm Dave Buckley. I'm a personal injury attorney. I took a phone call this morning from a person who was involved in a pretty serious car accident. It was not his fault. He got broadsided. Someone went through a red light and hit him right in the driver's side door where he was. Totaled his car, was brought to the hospital by ambulance. He was admitted. He was in the hospital for a couple of 3 days. Um, his injuries were later diagnosed as a herniated disc in his back, which they tried to treat conservatively, through the course of his treatment using physical therapy and other methods. And it turned out that he requires surgery, and that sometimes happens. And as I got further into the conversation, it just seemed to me that an awful lot had already taken place. And I had asked him, when did this accident happen? And he said, a little over 3 years ago. Well, the problem there is that you only have 3 years to make a claim against someone who has caused you harm, someone who has caused you a personal injury. You only have 3 years. It's called the statute of limitations. And he lost the opportunity to make a claim against the person that hit him for his personal injury because he waited too long. And I asked him, well, you obviously knew that you were in an accident that was caused by somebody else, and you're a smart guy, and why didn't you do anything about this? And he had a good excuse. He had a type of job that required him to be there. He was the go-to guy, and don't mean to make it sound like he was indispensable, but he kind of was, and there was legitimate reasons why he didn't take any action when he should have. But he lost the opportunity to make any claim at all by waiting so long. The value of that case probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 250,000 to $350,000. Um, that opportunity is lost for him because he waited too long. So, in every case where someone has caused you harm, the best advice is to seek medical treatment immediately, certainly within 24 hours, and then to call a professional, call an attorney, call me, and I'll be happy to guide you through the process. But acting to secure your own best interests as quickly as you can by notifying the insurance company that you've been injured, and making the claims in a timely manner will maximize the value of your case. Because once you lose the time limit to do so, your case will always be worth zero. Take care.